Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the dollar yen did grab these highs, or at least close to those highs, and pushed down really hard. I've been saying for the last couple of days that this is likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also been saying that the fact that we're right in between two fib levels is a little bit of a red flag, meaning that even if it does go down, it might end up making a higher low and pushing back up to the higher 78% Fibonacci retracement before it really does turn. If this right here really is a wave 5, then it will not do that, but instead it will go down and give us a break of structure, pretty much proving to me that this whole wave up on the daily is complete. So definitely on sort of time phase, we're going to have to pay attention to see whether this move down is corrective, overlapping, or impulsive. So far, it is definitely impulsive. It's either an A or one to the downside. I personally would be looking for shorts based on the daily time frame, so I wouldn't try to go short now. I would hope that the market would make a pullback like a wave B or a wave 2. Then I would try to go short for either a C, which would possibly look like this, break structure and then continue the uptrend, or I would go short hoping for a 3, which would be very impulsive and just keep on going down. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long for this wave B or 2, because if this really is like a reversal on the higher time phase, it may actually just do something like this. Just make lower lows, lower highs the whole way down, eventually giving us a break of structure if this really is a wave 5 on the daily time frame. So that's why I would only be looking for shorts right now. If it does make a more proper, pullback like this, that's great news for us because it gives us a much clearer, better chance to go short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.